Okay, hello, and welcome to my demo of the new AI interface for the review scene of Equareality's and PTR's empathy training. And here I'm going to take you through everyday inclusion and just the review scene. So everyday inclusion is an experience where you step into the shoes of Tamara and you go through a workplace scenario, just experiencing unconscious bias from her perspective. And we've developed a new way of interacting with the review scene after you've gone through this. We'll just sort of ask you some questions and help sort of guide you through what you might be feeling after experiencing this. And we've integrated AI to help you sort of take you on that journey. And this is a demo of that, really. So let's dive into it and have a look. So let's skip over the scene now, and we'll go straight into the review scene.
You've just experienced an everyday workplace scenario from the perspective of Tamara. Take a moment to reflect and think about the following questions. How did that feel?
That felt quite uncomfortable. Just getting some Discord notifications because for feedback whenever we interact with this, it says Discord.
Thank you for sharing that with me. It's understandable that the VR experience may have been uncomfortable for you, but it's important to recognize that this discomfort is part of the process of confronting and understanding biases. I'm curious, based on what you saw in the VR experience, do you think your colleagues were inclusive?
No, I felt that their attitude was quite uncomfortable and it did not make me feel included.
Thank you for sharing your experience. I hear that your colleagues' attitude made you feel uncomfortable and not included. I want to understand more. Can you tell me what specifically made their attitude uncomfortable? Also, what could they have done differently to make you feel more included?
I think it was the way they spoke about our colleagues and making assumptions about their behavior based on the color of their skin. I think perhaps if they were just more open-minded and acknowledging
Thank you for sharing your thoughts. I agree that the way we speak about our colleagues and make assumptions based on their skin color can be harmful and perpetuate bias. It's essential that we take the time to understand the impact of our words and actions and actively work to challenge and dismantle bias in all its forms. What specific steps do you think we can take to address this issue moving forward? Thanks again for taking the time to take this experience and practice inclusive behavior. To learn more, try a new experience or run this one again. To exit, take off the headset. Thanks again for taking the time to take this experience and
pause that and play that. Yeah, so that is current demo, and so next I'm going to be working on just sort of removing some of the bugs, so where it like maybe cuts out a bit early, or it as you can see, just it loops there at the end. Also improving some of the animations so that it's actually connected to the lip syncing. But otherwise, I think this is coming along quite well, and I'm looking forward to the next steps and where it goes from there. Oh, one more thing as well is I actually built in an interface for our team to start testing, just playing around with how they sort of shape the AI, and I'll just quickly show the what that interface looks like, because it's actually just a text file. So if they open up this here, you can see So this is the review data where you can actually just say the intro, this is the intro she gives, and then these are the questions, so you can just add in your own questions, and then here's the conclusion. And so here's the conclusion she gives at the end. And so you just change this, and this will actually directly change what she says. And then we've got a bunch of other text files here around like personality. You're a DEI trainer similar to Brené Brown. You're an active listener, respond reflectively, some scene context. This is all sort of the data that goes into the AI that prompts it to respond in the way that it does. Different call to actions here. You should acknowledge the response and ask an insightful question with respectful curiosity. Or you should acknowledge your response and then ask, and then here we fill in the blank for the next question. But I think that's it for now. Actually, we might also just show the team how to put this together. Is basically this is just an game object that'll be a prefab that exists in the review scene, and it's just got this AR review scene on it. It'll actually loads all this review data from this text file, so you just give it the path to the text file here, which as long as it's streaming assets, then it's just /AI and then / the file name, and then I just tell it to turn on the teleport animation and tell it to Sarah. This bit will be automated, you just need to worry about that. There's one more object in there for the moment, but this will just be a background object. You won't need to interact with this later on, but this is the one that actually loads all the personality texts and just manages the whole AI process. That's it for now. So thanks for watching, and look forward to showing you something else really exciting soon. Bye.